Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, imagine this. The same tech giant that's been pouring billions into artificial intelligence, yes, Meta, has suddenly hit the brakes. That's right, Meta pauses AI hiring at a time when every other company is racing to build the next big AI breakthrough. Why? Is this a sign that the AI bubble is about to burst? Or is Meta simply playing it smart while the rest of Silicon Valley overspends? Stick with me, because today we're diving into why Meta is pausing AI hiring, what this means for the AI industry, and how it could affect the future of jobs, innovation, and even you as a student or professional. Alright, let's start with some context. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and of course the metaverse, has been one of the biggest spenders on AI research and development. They've built massive AI infrastructure, developed Llama, their open-source language model, and even invested billions in AI-driven data centers. But now, news just broke. Meta is pausing hiring for its AI teams. That's not something you hear every day in 2025. Especially since AI is being called the new electricity, and every tech CEO, from OpenAI to Google to Microsoft, is hiring AI talent at insane salaries. So why would Meta, one of the leaders, take a step back? The official reason Meta hasn't given a dramatic press release, but here's the gist. They're being cautious about spending. Investors are getting nervous about the billions being poured into AI with little to no short-term returns. Remember, just because a company builds cool AI models doesn't mean they're making money from them. Meta's leaders are signaling, "We've built enough AI infrastructure for now. We don't need to keep hiring aggressively. It's time to use what we have wisely." And honestly, this makes sense. AI research is expensive. Data centers, GPUs, electricity bills that run into millions. At some point, the focus has to shift from hiring talent to making money off the talent you already have. What this says about the AI industry now, here's where it gets interesting. This move by Meta isn't just about them. It's about the state of the AI industry as a whole. Think about it. We've seen billions invested in generative AI startups. Everyone's promising the next ChatGPT. But a recent MIT study said 95% of generative AI projects are failing to deliver results. That's huge. It means companies are overhyping what AI can do while underestimating the costs and limitations. So when Meta pauses hiring, it's almost like they're saying, "We're not falling for the hype. We're going to be cautious, because not every dollar in AI is a good investment." This could be a sign that the AI bubble might be cooling down. Impact on jobs, but let's talk about something that really matters: jobs. AI talent is some of the most in demand in the world right now. Data scientists, AI engineers, machine learning specialists, all making six figures and up. So what does Meta's pause mean for them? In the short term, fewer openings at one of the biggest companies. In the long term, a reality check. AI professionals might not see endless growth like before. Companies will start asking not just for research, but for real results and revenue. If you're a student or job seeker looking to work in AI, this is your reminder. Don't just learn AI theory. Learn how AI creates business value. That's what companies like Meta will pay for in the future. Is Meta falling behind? Now, some people are asking, if Meta slows down hiring, won't they fall behind competitors like Google, Microsoft, or OpenAI? Good question. The truth is, Meta isn't stopping AI development. They're just slowing down on new hires. They still have thousands of AI engineers working on Llama 3 and future models. AI integration in Instagram and WhatsApp. AI features for the metaverse. So they're not leaving the race. They're just pacing themselves. Imagine a marathon. Some runners sprint and burn out, others play the long game. Meta seems to be choosing the long game. And remember, Meta has a history of bouncing back. People laughed at them for buying Instagram and WhatsApp. Now those apps dominate the world. The investor angle. Let's not forget the investors. Wall Street has been skeptical about Meta's huge AI spending. Every GPU, every data center, every research hire, it all adds up. But investors want to see profit, not just projects. So pausing hiring could also be a way to calm investor fears. Meta can say, "Look, we're being responsible. We're not overspending like some startups. We'll monetize AI when the time is right." And in today's market, that kind of message actually builds trust. What this means for the future of AI. So here's the big picture. Meta's pause on AI hiring isn't the end of AI. It's a reality check. It means companies will start focusing on real-world applications of AI, not just flashy demos. AI hiring will shift from more people, more hype, to smarter people, real results. The industry is entering a new phase, not the Wild West of experimentation, but the more mature stage of turning AI into actual products. For students, professionals, and tech fans like us, that's actually good news. It means the hype cycle is calming down, and the real innovation is about to begin. So, what do you think? Is Meta being smart by pausing AI hiring, or are they risking falling behind in the AI race? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into AI, technology, and the future of work.